Business writing is a superpower, but schools and employers do a horrible job at teaching people how to write. In 1981, two advertising executives wrote a timeless guide for how to write in the business world. And here are 12 of the tips that you should staple to your desktop. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo, and in this video, we'll see how to effectively write in the business world and earn millions. So, watch the whole video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Let's begin. Number 1, the goal of your writing is effective communication writing that works. Busy people read what you write, so you are more useful to them when your writing takes up less of their time. The goal: invest the time to write well now to save others time in the future. Number 2, the golden rule of business writing: don't mumble. When it is generally desirable to communicate your thoughts in a forthright manner, toning down your point and tiptoeing around it may tempt the reader to tune out and allow their mind to wander. Number 3, clearly organize your writing. Writing well means thinking well. Start with an outline, state your objective, list out your main points. Then number and underline your main points to guide the reader. And finally end with a summary. Copy and paste this formula. Number 4, open with short paragraphs and short sentences. Open the Times of India or Economic Times and read the top 3 stories. I'm sure they all start with 1 or 2 sentences. The goal of your first sentence: get the reader to read your second sentence. Never open with a wall of text. Number 5, use short words. The goal here isn't to make your writing shorter. The goal is to reduce friction. Short words are easier to speak, and since your reader is speaking the words in their head as they read, you can make it easy for them. Here are some easy fixes. Use adjectives and adverbs for precision, not exclamation points. Cut lazy words like very, great, awfully, and basically. These do nothing for you. But use strong ones to sharpen your point. Little raise, moist handshake, crisply presented, baffling instructions. Number 6, use down-to-earth language and avoid jargon. People use jargon thinking it shows off what they know, but they actually really use it to hide their lack of understanding. An easy fix: use the Feynman technique. When explaining something, just pretend you're explaining it to a 6th grader. Number 7, be specific. Your biggest writing weakness: using generalities. Don't make the reader guess. Our campaign was a great success and we came under our budget. Instead, use we increased click-through rates by 21% while spending 19% less than expected. Number 8, choose the right word. Look at the list of words right here. Oftentimes, people end up using the wrong word just because it sounds so similar. When you confuse words like these, your reader may conclude you don't know any better. And illiteracy does not breed respect. Number 9, make your writing perfect. No typos, no misspelling, no errors in numbers or data. There are no excuses for these, especially with tools like Grammarly. Spend the extra 5 minutes to make these fixes, or just spend like $5 a month and let the software just solve them for you. Number 10, come to the point. Take the time to build down what you have to say, then express it confidently in simple sentences, especially in memos and emails. Put your decoration in the subject line or in the first line, and then let your reader know exactly where you're going. Number 11, write the way you talk, naturally. People think the written language and the spoken language are different. They aren't. Choose a topic, write a paragraph about it, then record yourself talking about it. Repeat until these match up. Number 12, remove the words you don't need. In order to can actually be just said as do. Take action can be said as act. In the event of, just say if. Equally as, the as is not treated there. Advanced plan, just say plan. For the purpose of, just say to. At this point in time, instead you can just say now. In a digital, remote first world where everyone is skilled, effective writing is the greatest differentiator. But instead of you reading these and learning these passively, you could put them into action by writing and publishing every day for 30 days. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic you would like to see a video on next. Thank you for watching.